Hello and welcome to this new video on how to search for a Reddit comment. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first of all, you need to open the browser, and when you have opened the browser, on the top of the browser there will be an search bar. Just type Reddit on the search bar and press enter, and this is the source result that is shown to you. You just have to click on the first source result, that is Reddit, and when you have successfully logged in, then this is the interface that is shown to you. And if you haven't logged in, then you must sign in and log in first. So in order to search for a comment, you just need to click on the subreddit that you want to search. I'll just click on a random subreddit, and their community will be open, and on the top there is a search bar, and you just need to search anything that you want to search for the comments. So I'll just search for something simple, that is like and I click enter on the keyboard, and it will show the search result for the post, comments and media. And today we are going to learn on how to search for a comment. So we'll just click on the comment button, and it will show all the comments that has like in them. So this is how you can search for a Reddit comment. If you want to search for a specific comment, then you can just go up here and type the things that you want to search, and you can just press enter, and you can just click on the comments button, and it will show you the result of the comment. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.